Welcome back to my channel. Nowadays English is very important. You also know. That's why many persons also want to improve their English. Suppose you got a job to another state also and another country also. This time you going to this state and country and another person don't know how to communicate to you. Why? Because this person language is different, native language, and your native language also different. That's why this is a problem. This time how to communicate to this person. That's why English is very important. This person know how to speak English, but this time you don't know how to speak English, how to communicate to this person. You understand this language, but how to how to say the word, where is this address, how to communicate this time. That's why English is very important. And this time many parents also want to improve their English. Why? Because their daughter, son also, their children going to the CBSE student. That's why in their school also many teachers also communicating to their children, means student in English. That's why their children also asking a question to their parents in English. They are also speaking fluently. This time parents also want to improve their English in a school, any parents meeting also. This time also they are communicating to each other. Many parents also they are educated, and but they don't know how to communicate to another person in English. That's why they are also want to improve their English. That's why this is not only for the educated person. This time uneducated person also speaking fluently. Why? Because they are conscious, they are passionate about this language. That's why they are speaking fluently. This time many apps also available on a Play Store, and they are using different platform, and they spend a time on a different platform, 1.5 hour, 2 hour. That's why they are speaking fluently. They are continuously communicating to anyone. That's why they are speaking fluently. I'm not communicating to anyone daily. That's why I'm not speaking fluently. I am fumbling when another person asking a question to me, and this time I am blank. How to communicate to this person? Why? Because I am not consist in my work. But I know consistency is important. I think I am lazy, means I am sluggish. That's why means I am give excuses to myself. That's why I'm not speaking fluently. I think before 1 month ago, when I scroll YouTube, this time I was watching many videos, means conversation video. Means that time I first I communicating to Jyoti madam. Means when I comment to Jyoti madam, this time she told me, you can you communicate to me. This time this is my first time. Means I was also reply to Jyoti madam, yes, I want to communicate to you. That time I don't know which app, and she is very nice. She told me, and this app name, this name is Skype app. And this time many YouTubers also use this app and improve their English. They are communicating to each other daily. When first time I communicate to this lady, that's that time I am fumbling. I forget every rule also. Means I teach my student grammar. But that time when I first time communicating sorry, communicating to Jyoti ma'am, that time I was blank. Means I did a grammatical mistake also. Next time means next day I thought I taught to my student grammatical rule, but how to don't know how to when I communicate to Jyoti ma'am, how I forget all this rule. But next time means second day means next day I thought that time I was not communicating to anyone because I was afraid also that time. But next time means next day I thought why everyone did a mistake, but they are not afraid. They are daily communicating to anyone. That's why they are not afraid. They remove their hesitation. That's why next 2 days I was communicating to different ladies also this time. But when next time also I after 8 days, um, next time also when I talk to Jyoti madam, this time means that time I was remove my hesitation also, and I ask a question to Jyoti madam also. Means how you consist in your work. Means she has a only 8 month girl. Means only 8 months, and means suppose I have a 8 month girl. Means I am that time suppose I give excuses. I have a girl. I have means she live in a nuclear family, joint family, but she is do everything. How you manage everything? This time sorry, that time she replied me, I was not giving excuses. That's why I am means she was not giving excuses. That's why this means I am giving excuses every time. No, today I'm not communicate to anyone. I have a work. I have means housework also. Means I think I am giving excuses to myself. That's why I'm not speaking fluently